Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to talk about some center caps. So on this third gen I have these 20-inch wheels off of 4th gen 3/4 ton, obviously 8-lug wheels. I didn't have the center caps for these wheels, so when you go to look for center caps on these, there's really not much aftermarket. They're kind of an oddball size. So if you look at the wheel here, if you measure this here, this is 2 3/4, so that's the actual size of the center cap that you need, but it's a button style, so it hangs over and covers this area, and that's about a 3.5, 3/4 inch overall size of the center caps on these. The actual center caps that came on these wheels, they're kind of hard to find. I mean, you can get them, they're a bit expensive. I've gone with the 5th gen wheel center caps. They're the right size and everything, they fit. So these are the same ones that are on the 2020 to 22 Rams, 3/4 ton, obviously. They are different than the 1500s. Those are much smaller. This is a much bigger center cap, so they do fit. They're almost the exact design of the original 4th gen center caps for these wheels. I have it set here, and I'll put a picture on the screen to show you what the 4th gen center caps look like. Being 5th gen, it was a little bit of a changes to these. On the original 4th gens, these were completely round, and the ram head itself kind of stuck out of the center cap. And on the 5th gen, they've kind of indented it in. You can kind of see it. And that's really the only difference. Otherwise, they fit. They're about half of the price of the 4th gen center caps, and a little easier to find, and they fit perfect on these wheels. So if you are in need of buying center caps, maybe you're missing one or two or what have you, the way they list them on eBay or Amazon or in any of the websites, 1500s are different than these. These are much bigger than the 1500s. So you need the button styles. Normally they'll list them as a over 3 inch. These are actually 3 and I believe 3 3/4 of an inch overall, and then 2 3/4 on the hub side where they actually clip in and they hang over and cover the rest of the area. But again, 5th gens will work on the 4th gen wheels. Give the brake, they crack, they are plastic. So if you're looking for a set for your 4th gen, get the 5th gens, and they work just fine. Thank you for watching.